off, but we'll try. Or maybe not. It's usually not like this. I promise you that. It's... Okay. Oh, these are glass. Oh, these are awesome. This is at some parking garage in downtown Dallas. I will want to look out the glass side of it. Okay. Okay, here we go. Let's go back down to 1, and then we'll get off at 8. These are ThyssenKrupp elevators, I think. Let's get off at 8. Okay, I'm gonna... Yeah, you can't go to those. Alrighty. Alright, we're gonna get off here. I think there's another set over there that I'm gonna get to. There it goes. That's it.